here at Hotel Indigo, Flushing, New York. So it's just a standing shower. Of course, mirror for here. Look how pretty. This is our new hotel.
Wow.
Yeah, TV. Very nice. Comes with this industrial desk. This queen bed. Very nice. Zoe, we're, I think, in front of a church. Baptist church. Yeah, look. And look at the view of the city, Zoe, look. Look at that. There's a view of the city. They have coffee maker. You have ice container. This, and this is the other side of our window. And this is our closet with iron board, an iron, and a safety box. Looks so clean.